Hey guys! Welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina and welcome back to our 11th episode of my reaction video for the series Avenues of the Diamond. And yes, opo, nasa 11th episode na tayo at 5 more to go. If I'm not mistaken, comment down below nga kung 16 episodes lang tong Avenues of the Diamond. And also, sorry guys kung hindi nyo nakikita yung reaction video ko kapag nag-PPOV na si Clyden. Kasi sa sobrang excited ko dun sa susunod na episode, nagsastop na ako kasi sabi ko, ayoko ma-spoil. But anyways, ang dami ko nang sinasabi. Let's start in 3, 2, 1. So, eto na nga, 4 years later, after nung incident, ang dami nang nangyari. And Sam is a renowned model right now na. Pak! Diba? Sobrang kilala na siya. And I'm sure Clyden is so proud of her.
Samantha Vera has fronted magazine covers, ruled international runways, and is the face of many global campaigns.
Pak. Nasa present time na tayo. So, ito yung pinakita dun sa first part ng episode 1. Ito yung first meeting nila after 4 years. Like, sobrang crazy. Sobrang coincidence.
I'll introduce you to her. This is Samantha Vera, the model.
The model. Oh, gusto ko yung pa-slow mo ni Derek.
Do you recognize her?
No, of course.
Oh shit. The past is right in front of me.
Oh my God.
This is Dr. Clyden Ramirez. He's a pediatrics resident.
Yung a little bit ba to? I'm a little bit of crazy. Oh, cute. I'm a little bit. So, ito, akala niya anak niya si Avril. Of course. Maui.
Hi, sir.
May tension pa din.
How do you guys know each other? Common friends?
She was my fiance.
Boom! Fiancé! Gusto ko yung sobrang proud.
Friends?
She was my fiance.
Wait. I have to take this. Yes? Okay, I'll be right there. Clyde, ikaw muna ang bahala kay Abby, ha? Maui, I'm so sorry, pero kailangan mo sorry. Okay? Excuse me.
No! Grabe naman to! Well, ako kasi hindi ko ganyan nakita yung ex ko eh.
I'm in the same room as him.
Okay, the supermodel and the doctor. Gusto ko yung meron na silang kanya-kanyang profession. And, ayan na. Oh my God.
Okay, what do we have here?
Abby has a sore throat and was under medication for 5 days. Follow-up check-up na ngayon.
Hi, Avi. I'm Doc Clyden. I'll check your throat muna, ha? Okay. Si A. Okay. Does it hurt? Okay, how about when you cough? Does it still hurt?
Not anymore. Doc, am I okay na?
Yes. Wala na magiging throat mo.
That's because I've been a good girl. I drank the syrup Dr. Lana gave me, even though it tastes eerie.
You don't like the taste?
No. If they want kids like me to get well, they better make it taste like candy.
I
Hindi siya. Akala siya.
I see. Your mom's a great cook.
But I missed ice cream. Can I eat ice cream now?
Yes, you can, but in moderation lang, ha?
He's still good at talking to children. Pati talaga sa kanyang maging pediatrician.
What does moderation mean?
Moderation means paunti-unti lang.
Then can I eat it with marshmallow toppings? How about nuts?
He looks mature now and very confident and reliable.
Gusto ko yung...
Makita siya.
Grabe yung...
Okay.
Grabe siya. Ano yan
So,
siya?
naman yung throat niya. No need for medication. Just make sure maingat siya sa sweets and malalamig. Warm water muna siya. Baka kasi bumalik yung inflammation niya. Or baka magka-tonsillitis pa siya, of course.
Got it. Thanks, Sai. I mean, Dr. Ramirez.
Sai!
She takes after you.
Hmm?
Let's go, Abby. We'll go ahead, Doc. Thank you. Say thank you.
Bye, Abby.
Goodbye.
The rumors are getting out of hand. Madali naman to i-debunk. Kasi hindi naman totoo. We can always ask statements from Abby's parents, right?
No, I can't drag Yana and Abby into this. Lalo na hindi pa alam ni Hiro tungkol kay Abby.
It will die down. Why don't we create a new rumor? Let's say, a non-showbiz boyfriend?
But I don't have a non-showbiz boyfriend at wala akong time for boyfriends.
Eh kung wala kang time para mag-boyfriend, edi, ano thing? Maybe your ex-boyfriend?
Ay, Mom! Remember the last time you got drunk? You mentioned that your last ex was the best boyfriend you ever had.
Perfect. I like the idea. Sino yung boyfriend na yan? Try to reconnect with the ex-boyfriend, whoever it is.
The way I broke up with him, imposibleng mag-reconnect kami. Nakagalit pa yun sa akin.
Hindi ka sure.
Kausap pa tayo.
Let me go!
Ay, nako, Sam.
Stop with the boyfriend rules, please. Hayaan niyo na rin yung issue with Abby. Again, it will die down eventually.
Okay. If you say so. Let's talk about your projects. Let's see. So, upcoming bookings so far. Photo shoots, the Lab Cosmetics, News Magazine, and Denim House. For fashion shows, we have No Atelier, and of course, my Saint Laurent.
Okay, got it. At nag-message pala yung lawyers ng parents mo. They want you to visit Camp Crame. Hinahanap ka raw ng mami mo. Ever since nakulong sila, I haven't visited my parents. Kahit once. And I don't think I will. I can't. I'm busy. Wala akong time para bumisita.
Sure, that's true. Because you have a tight schedule. Here's your schedule.
Ang galing lang ng mga shoots. Like, kaya pala siya uma-attend ng mga events noon, ng mga ganito, so that meron sila mga clips na, tulad na to. Upak! Oh. Sino ka dyan? That is Samantha Vera. Everyone?
Samantha Vera wows in fashion show as modern Maria Clara.
The psychology students of San Gabriel College are double-checking if tuloy ka pa rin ba as their guest speaker. Tomorrow na to, unless gusto mo magpahinga.
No. Pupunta ka doon.
Important yun eh, I should be there. Mental health isn't a weakness. It takes real courage to talk about
Ang galing lang kasi alam naman natin may advocacy si Sam or meron talaga siyang puso sa pagtulong sa mga mamamayan. And mas nagkaroon siya ng nagkaroon siya ng mas magandang purpose dahil dun sa pagkamatay ni Naomi.
Minsan kasi iniisip natin na, ay, baka ayaw niyo istorbo or baka okay lang naman siya. But the truth is, hindi mo alam what someone is silently carrying. May mga ngiti na may lungkot sa likod. Her small acts of care, yung simpleng,
Kaya you should check out talaga, guys, those friends, family, or someone who you think struggles on their mental health, lalo na may mga depression and anxiety.
normalize asking for help. Let's all normalize checking in. Hindi ka mahina kapag napapagod ka.
True.
We all need to pause, reflect, and heal together.
Sam, busy ka ba bukas? Pwede ko bang maiwan si Abby sa'yo? Bigla ang flight eh. Pero kukunin ko rin naman siya ng gabi.
Of course, no problem. But I'm going to the gym tomorrow. Okay lang bang isama si Abby?
Nag-gym na yung anak.
Sure, pero ako, magbabago na naman ang gusto si Abby. Sabihin nun, gusto niya maging weightlifter. Kung isang araw, sabi niya gusto niya maging pretty office woman kasi sinama mo siya sa meeting mo.
Gusto ko yung every details nung nasa book is na-present din siya dito. Kahit hindi super physical.
Baby, careful.
Ito yung babalik sila sa doktor kasi mauntog ba?
Chest out, chest out, chest out.
Ang tagal.
Come on, Sam, you can do it.
Abby, be careful.
One more set, Sam.
Mamatay na ako, Rich.
Come on, Sam.
I'm so tired.
Di ba may photoshoot ka, Sam? So, tiis ganda. Come on.
Excited na ako sa bikini photoshoot na yan.
Careful, Abby. Baby!
Ang ono nung coach.
Hospital.
May malapit na hospital dyan, yung Ramirez Medical.
It's okay, baby. Punta tayo sa hospital. Is Dr. Lana on duty today? She's Abby's doctor.
Off-duty po si Dr. Lano ngayon eh. But papunta na po yung isang video namin.
Baby, stop crying. It's okay.
Ayun na po po lang.
Don't worry.
Dok, ano nangyari?
I think she hit her face flat on the floor at the gym.
Why would you bring your kid to the gym? Tingin nga. What can I see? Okay, wala na. It's not bleeding anymore.
Am I going to be okay?
Of course you're going to be okay.
Cute
Diba,
nila.
you're sure, right?
Ni Abby.
Okay, akin naman. Bawang.
Pakasungit.
Yung ice pack, please.
Ano ba yan?
Okay, move forward, get up. Okay. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, lean back, higa, slowly. Let's get her an x-ray to make sure na walang fractures or anything. Papasis ko na sa nurse.
Okay. Don't worry, baby. It's gonna be okay. Stop crying na.
It's okay.
It's okay. There's no more bleeding. You're okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Sana may voice over to. Kasi, ang hirap kayo magbasa ng ganyan. Oh. Sana may voice over yun ni Yana.
Quick search lang. It's harmless. Curious lang ako. Charles Ramirez to lead Ramirez Medical and builds expansion plans for modern healthcare. Charles? Really? Ano kaya nangyari?
Ramirez's son leads vaccine efforts in rural areas.
Natutulungan ng mga bakuna na maprotektahan ng mga bata mula sa mga malulubang sakit. Kaya natin kumukuha ng libre mula sa mga barangay health centers, government hospitals, at ilang pribadong klinika na accredited ng DOH.
Dok, maraming salamat po talaga dito sa pag-program niyo.
Walang anuman po, Kap. Pero hindi ko po effort lahat nito. Marami rin po nag-volunteer galing sa Ramirez Medical. At marami rin po kami nakuha donations.
Pero kayo naman din po talaga nagpasimulan ng programa na to, kaya maraming salamat po.
Ramirez Medical brings free medical service to hundreds of children.
Hello?
Grabe, ang dami ng achievements ni Clyden and ni Sam. So, nakakatuwa. Si Sam, hindi siya updated kay Clyden. Pero si Clyden, for sure, updated yan if you have read the book. Alam nating hindi pinalagpas ni Clyden ang kahit isang fashion show ni Sam. Diba? Tsaka doktor. Parang may naisip ka doon ah.
More than just medical royalty.
He's still the same old Clyde I knew from years ago. The same principled guy na may pusong tumulong sa mga nangangailangan.
I know you know. Okay, eto na naman.
I'm super excited, Mommy.
Ikaw ba, excited ka na ba?
Yun yata, oo, yun yung flight.
Don't worry too much. Enjoy na lang yung first international trip with Abby. Besides, nandun naman ako eh. I'll make sure na ma-enjoy natin tatlo yun. Hmm? Okay. Thanks, Sam. O siya, malapit na yung flight natin. Okay, bye. Oh, say bye-bye na Abby to your mommy.
Bye, Mommy. Are you buying me pasalubong?
I'm going to Thailand, baby. We're just going to buy a lot of pasalubong in Japan, okay? Yeah, I'll see you.
Samantha, Naira. OMG, pwede ba magpa-picture?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you po. Cute naman po ng daughter mo. Thank you po.
Kaya pala siya gumanon.
Baby, Abby!
You look familiar.
Kayo.
Yeah? Oh my God! Is that you?
Alam niya yung last week na episode masakit, pero bakit parang kinikilig na naman ako? Grabe ka maglaro, ha?
Sorry. Na-excite lang siya sa dogs. Hindi ko rin na-recognize na si Hale pala to.
It's okay. Pero mukhang na-recognize ka niya. Na-excited nung nakita ka.
New dog?
Yeah, Solar. Summer's daughter.
Puppy! Summer has a baby. Kamusta pala siya?
She, passed away.
Aww.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Sam.
Yes.
Wait.
You like dogs?
Hello?
This
What
is
happened?
Hale.
Okay, pabalik na ako. I need to go.
Okay. I'll see you around.
I hope we won't see each other often.
Aww.
Excuse me, what? Ganun niyo ba ako ka-hate?
Because that means Abby's unhealthy. Please
Ah.
take good care of her.
Kabado yan eh.
Come, let's go. Hey,
Say
Solar.
bye-bye to the dogs.
Kanino kayang dogsing mo ngayon?
Sir, kamusta naman po siya?
Okay naman siya. Nangihingal lang siya eh.
Okay, I'll just go check her. Ayan, yeah.
Ay, ito yata yung mamamatay.
I want to dance like this.
Kung tama ako, ito yung mamamatay na
I want to see my
parang
friends
makikita ni
already.
Sam yung pinaka-vulnerable side
Alam ko,
niya.
nagsumbong si nurse May sa akin. You're not drinking your medicine daw.
Iniintay ko po kasi kayo. Ayokong inumin. Unless ikaw ang magbigay sa akin.
Juicy pa nga. Alam mo, you have to drink your medicine. Hindi pa rin matigas ang ulo.
Gagaling po ba ako? Sabi po kasi sa internet, di na raw po gagaling.
Oo.
Stage 4.
Sobrang nakakaawa yung mga batang may sakit na ganito. Parang hindi nila deserve na at a young age, ganyan agad yung sakit nila. Like, hindi man lang pa nagde-develop yung body nila, tapos biglang may sakit agad na ganyan.
Because you're the best doctor in the world.
Hmm.
Oh, sige na. Drink your meds na.
Excuse.
Anya, here you go.
Oh, that's my mommy's magazine. Do you think she's pretty? She looks like my doll.
Yeah. She does look like a dog.
Sam, salamat sumama ka. Of course. Ang hirap kaya mag-travel mag-isa with a 4-year-old. Abby, hindi na siya ha. We'll see each other later.
Okay, mommy.
Sige, usap tayo later. Salamat na ako. See you soon.
Bye, mommy. I love you, mommy.
Bye, Abby. I love you too. See you. Look, Abby, oh, that's mommy. She's super busy, di ba?
Hi, mommy. You're so pretty.
You're so cutie. Kay Abby, go na sa comfort room. Yay. Girl, are you okay? Sa may problema ako. Di ko alam gagawin ko. What is it? Si Hero ang piloto.
Ah,
May last
okay.
minute change eh. Nasa same hotel pa tayo kasama ng mga flight crew. Paano kung pakasalubong natin si Hero? Lumipat na lang kaya ako ng hotel para safe. We can do that. But really, Yan, what if you just tell Hero about Abby? I think that's the easier.
Hindi ko sure kung ito yung clip from Safe Skies Archer. Kasi it looks like present din. Pero yung color kasi ng hair. Oo nga. Ito yung clip dun sa ano. Gusto ko yung hindi nila tinanggal to. I mean, hindi sila nag-reshoot. Instead, ginamit nila yung before. Kasi alam nila na importante tong scenes na to. Pero parang hindi sila nag-shoot nung kasal ni Hiro at Yana.
Thank you, my daddy gave it to me. Are you a pilot?
Ayan na nga ba?
Yes.
My daddy is a pilot too.
God. Ayan na nga ba? Ayan na ang tinaguan ng anak.
Abby, let's go to our hotel muna.
Ayan na. Oo nga, hindi nila tinanggal. At least, hindi sila nag-reshoot or hindi nila tinanggal. Kasi pag tinanggal to, alam natin hindi mabubuo ang Safe Skies Archer at ang Avenues of the Diamonds kung wala to. Itong go out nito, parang ito yung makikita niya si Haze yata.
Let's see.
Daddy, look at my outfit.
Looks so good. Excited?
I'm excited to explore Japan with you.
Let's go.
Bye, Tita Nina.
Hmm.
Hey Riley, I'm already here at Voltage Shibuya. Are you on the way na ba?
Hmm.
Hotel, pero grabe, Sam. Ito na ang pinakamasayang araw ko. Also, sorry pala ha. It should be you, me, and Abby's bonding time. Tapos may pasika.
Ano ka ba? Don't worry about me. I-enjoy niyo na tong trip na to. Enjoy
Ayan,
na.
ganito sana. Yung kanina, yung magka-chat sila ni Yana. Walang voice over.
Well,
Parang minamadali nga tong Avenues of the Diamond eh. Kasi parang,
I kind of feel sad because I know hindi ko na nitalagaan lagi si Abby. I'm so broken.
hey Sam, sorry, I can't make it to dinner natin. I had to head back to the Philippines. My niece got into an accident.
Oh no, I hope she's okay. Let's see each other na lang sa Manila. Ingat, Riley. Thank you.
Omatase itashimashita.
Yes, thank you.
May I join you?
Hey,
oh my God, di ba tama ako?
I never thought I'd see you here.
Hala.
Same with you, Sam. Small world. Your date didn't show up.
Huy, ang gwapo ni Haze. Ba't ka yan to. Oh my God.
What about you? You got stood up to?
Unfortunately, yes. But the businessman I was about to meet. But well, I'm glad na mag-isa ka lang din. Do you mind if we have dinner together?
Nakaupo ka na dyan eh. May magagawa pa ba ako? You know what? Here is here, by the way.
Yeah, I know. I'm sure we're having a lot of fun, right? You're still a heavy drinker, Samantha Vera.
Pero I don't get drunk easily.
You seem a little tipsy to me.
I'm not.
Alright, sabi mo eh.
Please. Have you ever fallen in love?
That's so out of nowhere. But, sige, let's roll. Of course I have. Ikaw?
Oo naman. I fell madly and deeply in love with this person. He's an amazing guy, you know? We even lived together and promised to marry each other. Pero, iniwan pa lang siya. Nagkita kami ulit, bago na ang lahat.
What changed?
Kung paano niya ako tignan at kausapin. Medyo cold at ang sungit niya na. Ang sakit pala, no?
Eh, kasi di ba yun din yung start nyo? Before.
I'm just expecting something more.
Well, you left him. You can't just expect him to treat you the same way. Love fades, Sam.
Why are you smiling? Kasi akala mo sinabi ako? Huh? Ha?
I told him you're drunk.
I'm not drunk.
Ah, talaga ba?
Siya ba tayo, Sam?
May what?
Oh, okay ka lang? Akala ko ba
Parang okay pa siya nung nakaraan tapos biglang,
What the fuck is this?
Hayes, don't you have a girlfriend?
No, I don't. Lying. You're lying.
uy, ang galing ni Hayes. Sayang, ba't hindi siya naging Clyde? It makes sense right now. Kasi bagay sa kanya yung Hayes.
Cheers.
Samantha Vera spotted having a date with a guy in Japan?
OMG, is that Sam's baby daddy?
Madam, nangyari na! Ang kalat naman ng love life ni Sam. Pati na lang kasi i-announce kaya sa ganyan.
I hope people won't recognize it's Hayes.
Are you back in Manila na? Are you free to meet today?
Ay, kasalanan mo to, Riley.
Thanks for meeting me here. Ito lang kasi yung nearest sa Luis Medical and
Ay, ito yung ano, yung bata.
And ako lang yung bantay.
Teka lang, may pinagtataguan ka ba?
I fucking knew it. Of course. Nakikita ko siya dito.
Isang large strawberry milkshake.
Anything else, ma'am? Make it two.
Sige, dalawa na lang pa.
Okay.
Let's wait for our drinks na lang.
Grabe yung inis niya, oh.
Sakit na ulo mo?
Ito si Riley.
Stress din siya.
Okay naman. Actually learning a lot. Well, kids are not the easiest patients, but I love taking care of them.
Mukhang, actually, I heard na ikaw yung favorite ng mga patients sa your ward. And that's true. Wait, so, remind me, like, why did you decide to take up pedia? Alam mo talaga magsa-surgery ka.
Yeah, I did, but I realized na it's gonna take me. I don't want to get married.
Gusto ko yung ano. Hindi ko matandaan kung meron to.
Kanino?
Meron tong part na to, yung nandito sila kay din, or saglit lang sila.
Sabay pa sila.
Or meron. Kasi ang natatandaan ko tong kay Riley. Tsaka alam ko coffee shop yun.
I just received a message from my assistant and need ko na pumunta sa agency namin.
Oh, no problem. Kailangan ko na lang balikan yung niece ko.
Wait. Gusto mo ihatid na kita sa hospital? I brought a car with me.
No need. Iikot ka pa. I mean, walking distance lang naman yung hospital from here and I need to get my steps in, so.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm totally sure.
Okay, I need to go.
Take care.
Yeah, you too. I'll see you soon.
Uy. Tinging naglulong sa taong mahal niya.
Uy! Si Samantha Vera! Di ba trending to ngayon? Oo nga! Hey, Sam! Kasama mo ba yung boyfriend mo sa Japan?
I have nothing to say.
Dali na!
I'm sorry po.
Uy, ang cute ng
Dali na!
Nakita ko yung picture niya sa sama siya sa car. Parang sa engagement. Sige na. Sige na.
Wait, ba't ba tinutulak nila? Okay. Ano ba yun? Ah. Oh, sana all. Ang tagal mag-buff sa akin ng mga nangyayari. Like, sabi, mag-react daw ako dun sa mga POV ni Clyden. So, eto na. Sige na, ito na. So, gusto ko mag-react, kaso abangan na yung nakalagay dun sa susunod na clip after ng mga photos. And that's the end of my reaction video. Guys, sorry, pero wala na pala dun yung POV ni Clyden. So, na-miss ko siya, pero hindi ko alam kung wala lang dito sa episode na to or masyadong pinakilig kasi kaya hindi ko na doon napansin. Nagbabuff talaga ako kasi sobrang hook ako dun sa pinapanood ko. Alam mo, nakaganyan lang ako or natulala lang ako. But anyways, thank you guys for watching my video. Sa mga, na-appreciate ko po yung mga pagko-comment nyo. And gusto ko lang sabihin na sorry at medyo kulang-kulang yung mga nire-react ko dito. Kasi naka-crop ko yata. Kasi may mga unwanted dito. But anyways, thank you so much guys. We're down to the last 5 episodes of Avenues of the Diamond. And comment down nga kung gusto nyong i-review ko yung Seducing Drake Palma. And syempre of course, i-review ko ang Bad Genius. Yun lang guys. See you on my next vlog.